Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. We've been studying these conic sections, and there's 4 of them. Parabolas, circles, ellipses, hyperbolas. Now we're getting into a problem set, and I'm going to focus on circles. All right, now I'm kind of repeating from previous videos, but just to kind of catch you up if you haven't seen the other videos yet. A conic section is a curved intersection between a plane and a pair of cones, sometimes just one cone. So previously I talked about parabolas. We've been working on circles. Coming up, we'll be doing ellipses and hyperbolas. All right? And again, about circles, the equation form looks like this. Okay? At first, it might look a little complicated, but this is how you can put it on an XY coordinate graph. So if you can get the equation in this form, where you have an X group and a Y group, notice each of those groups is squared, so these are squared groups. The H and the K value tells you where the center of the circle is. All right? The R squared amount, if you take the square root of that side over there and get R, that's the radius. That tells you how big the circle is going to be. All right, in a previous video, I showed some examples about taking an equation like this, determining the center, and then the radius. All right, let's take a look at a couple of problems. I'm going to have 4 to try, so on a piece of paper you can kind of sketch this out. I give you the equation already in what's called conic form. That's where the exponents are put in, and everything is pretty easy. So go ahead and sketch it out and hit pause, and I'll give you a moment here to try those first 2. All right, starting fairly simple here. If the equation here is x minus 2, then of course the 2 coordinate is going to be the h value right there in the center. And this says y plus 2, which is really y take away negative 2. So the k value right there would be negative 2. Therefore, the center has to be positive 2, negative 2, located right there, of course. And if it says 4, which is really 2 squared, then the radius must be 2. So you're going to go 2 out in every direction, and the circle will look like that. Number 2, x minus 1 inside there tells you that the h is 1, and the k is also positive 1, so the center is located right there. Again, if it says equals 4, that's 2 squared. The radius again is 2. All right, now let's try 2 more. All right, take a look and see if you can locate where those circles are on those graphs. Go ahead. All right, for problem number 3, it says x minus 1, so your h value is a positive 1 right there. And y plus 4 needs to be rewritten as y minus negative 4. And so your negative 4 is going to be your k value. Center is located at 1, negative 4 right there. And the radius is 3 because 9 is really 3 squared. Okay, I'm sticking with perfect square numbers here to keep it easy. I will challenge you later on with some other ones that won't quite be so easy. But number 4, x minus 1 and y minus 4. So there you go. Center must be at 1, 4 right there, as you can see. And 9 is the squared radius, so the radius must be 3 again. So go out 3 in all directions, and there's the graph of that circle. All right, pretty simple to start with, and we'll get more challenging later. And the next video in this series is about ellipses. We're going to talk about the equation form for that and how you graph those. Thanks for watching. Take care. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.